How to use Temu price drop alert feature. Now, Temu does not have a built-in price drop alert feature for specific item you're browsing. The drop alert mentions you might see on social media or within the app usually refer to general site-wide sale events. So, what you want to do is to track the price drop on specific item you're interested in. You need to use a third-party service, a browser extension that monitors a website prices. Likewise, you could detect a price tracking website or browser extension like Google Chrome's built-in price tracking features are designed to monitor price across various retail sites, including Temu. And then you could also add the item you'd like to your wish list or save for later within the Temu app. You will still need to manually check the list periodically to see if the price have changed. You could use a Google Shopping's price tracking notification to receive alert for product you are tracking as well. So that's how you're going to use Temu price drop feature. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.